G'day, g'day, g'day. I'm going to show you today how to upload a carousel to LinkedIn. Now at this point, you've probably already tried uploading a series of pictures to your post. That didn't work, so you ended up here. That's because carousels on LinkedIn work in a slightly different way to most other social media platforms. So I can understand your confusion. So first thing that we're going to do is we actually want to create a PDF, which is why I've got Canva opened up here. I've got my PDF, and I know that a lot of other social media platforms use images to create carousels. LinkedIn uses PDFs. Next thing we want to do is download it to your computer. So PDF, download it, and then the next thing we want to do is go to LinkedIn. All right, once we're in LinkedIn, we're going to go up, start a post, and then we're actually going to go down to this more feature. It looks like a little plus icon. Click more, and we're going to add a document. That's going to open up this window where you choose a file, go into your browser, open up the PDF that you want to do, and add a description, right? So you wait for that to load. Click done, write your post. Now you can see here that my carousel is fully working. I can navigate through it, and now it's time to post or schedule. So I hope that that's been helpful, and add me on LinkedIn. Cheers.